Dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error with your Mac. So if you receive error when you try to print something on your printer and you can't do it, so you have error with your printer on Mac. So for fixing it, first thing you need to check your connection to your printer. So just check if your cable successfully connected to your laptop, and also if your printer is turned on and successfully working. So this is the first thing. Another thing you need to try, just go to Launchpad and just choose your system preferences. So now you need to choose printers and scanners. So here you need to check if you have your printer here, so it means that you successfully install all the drivers on your laptop. And if you don't see here your driver, your printer, so you just need to download and install the latest drivers on your printer. So another thing you need to check is to check your printer quick. So just open it and just see if you don't have here any document, so it means that your printer is empty. So if you see here something, just remove it from this list and just try to restore your printer. So just tap on turn on button, just turn it off and turn on again. And the latest thing you can also try, just tap on Apple logo, just choose restart and just restart your computer. So this is a way how you can fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.